Hello, and welcome to a new edition of On the Scene. I'm Joshua Harris, Director of Development at MSU Denver. This week, we're spending time with some of Colorado's future innovators, engineers, computer scientists, and fire emergency responders at the Motorola Innovation Summer Camp. All week, rising 6th through 8th grade students from across the Denver metro are stepping onto the Auraria campus, exploring STEM careers and discovering how technology can solve real-world challenges. Now, this summer camp is being taught and facilitated by MSU Denver faculty, staff, and students from computer science, electrical engineering, and the FARA program, which is our Fire and Emergency Response Administration. Join me throughout the week to learn how students are learning that innovation begins with curiosity and that their ideas can make a difference. Come on, let's go. What makes the Motorola Innovation Summer Camp especially powerful is that students are not simply learning about STEM. They are actively becoming problem solvers. Every activity encouraged them to ask questions, test ideas, collaborate with others, and think critically about how innovation can improve lives. Throughout the week, I saw students gaining experience in coding, building circuits, building electrical motors, STEM physics, simulating traffic lights, building smoke detectors, learning cybersecurity, and so much more. By exploring smart technologies and working together to tackle challenges, these experiences introduce students to fields that are shaping their future while helping them build confidence and creativity. For many students, this may be their first experience spending meaningful time on a college campus. Programs like Motorola Innovation Summer Camp help create connection. They build a bridge between curiosity and opportunity, opening doors that can influence educational and career choices for years to come. This has been an incredible week, and these experiences are only because of the generosity of partners who believe in investing in the next generation. I would like to extend a special and sincere thank you to the Motorola Solutions Foundation, who have made this program accessible to students across our region. MSU Denver sincerely appreciates your support. When you invest in programs like this, you are doing far more than funding a summer camp. You are shaping the future of Colorado by helping young people discover their potential, explore new possibilities, and develop skills that will benefit our communities for decades to come. As I leave camp today, I'm inspired by the energy, creativity, and enthusiasm I've seen this week. The future of Colorado is being shaped by the young people who are curious, brave, and motivated enough to make a difference. Programs like Motorola Innovation Summer Camp help nurture that potential and remind us just how powerful opportunities can be. Thank you so much for joining me today on The Scene. I'm Joshua Harris, and I look forward to sharing more stories of impact with you soon. I'll see you next time on The Scene.